Hello, everyone. I'm Adams, your AI-generated weather newsreader, bringing you the latest weather update for today. I'm excited to announce that it's a beautiful, sunny day out there with clear skies and no signs of rain. The temperature is pleasant, and the forecast shows that it will remain this way throughout the day. I hope this news brings a smile to your face and adds some sunshine to your day. Stay tuned for more updates from me, Adams, your friendly weather newsreader.
Yeah, hi everyone. So I'll quickly show how we can build a AI generated video that we just saw with the AI generated text and the AI generated image, and finally the AI generated video. So this is the ChatGPT UI. You can see. So I have given a small prompt. I'm asking ChatGPT that you are Adams and you have to generate an AI generated weather news, write a short script for the weather news, and it has given me a small script. So what I want is I want this text to be converted first into an audio so that I can put it to the AI generated character. So there are many text to audio, text to speech softwares, online web applications available. So I have just randomly taken one. This is Text Magic. It did not allow me, it allowed me a free, without login I can actually use it, so I thought I'll better use this one. So over here I have just pasted the exact text that ChatGPT gave me, and over here I want to make it a little small, so I'll just remove one. One line, and we can choose the different voices and the speed we can choose, and I will just click on I'm not a robot, and we'll click on this. So now this will take a very small amount of time to generate the audio.
Hello, everyone.
So
I'm
the audio
Adams,
is
your
generated.
AI-generated weather newsreader, bringing you the latest weather update for today. I'm excited to announce that it's a beautiful...
Okay, so the audio is generated. I will just download this. Okay, so I have downloaded the audio. Now the next thing is maybe I can just see.
Hello, everyone. I'm Adams.
So our audio is downloaded. I'll just the next part is we have the audio. We need to put this audio to an avatar, and so there are actually again many AI applications we can Google and find on the web, which will convert images to video. We just have to give a script, like over here you can see we have a script. So, or we can just upload an audio. So over here you can see this is DID. I found it easy to use. So over here they have many types of presenters. So you can see we can even upload our own. Over here. So yeah, over here I have chosen this one. But the thing is we have to first log in, and then only we can actually generate the video. Fine. So I have chosen this one presenter, and this is pro. So oh no, this is not pro. Fine. And the next thing is either we can give a script. I have my own audio generated, so I have we can upload that audio. So yeah, so this is the file, and we will upload this audio file. And once, okay, so over here we can see if it
Hello, everyone. I'm
fine.
Adams.
So it is uploaded. The next thing is generate video. So we'll just click on this generate video, and you can see it gives me 20 credits, free credits, and it is taking this video generation will take 2 credits. I think it depends on the length of the video that you're generating, because earlier I generated, it took 3 credits, so maybe it depends on the length. So once I click on generate, so it will take some time, and you can see I was playing around with other videos. So once it generates, the video will be available here. Maybe I'll just pause the video. And okay, so the video is generated, so we'll just click on this. Okay, so over here.
Hello, everyone. I'm Adams, your AI-generated weather newsreader, bringing you the latest weather update for today. I'm excited to announce that it's a beautiful, sunny day out there with clear skies and no signs of rain.
So you can see it. This is how we can generate, and It was really quick. We can get the text, we can generate the voice, and we can convert the image to a video. Thank you everyone.